Welcome to the night. Check, it's coming on. Can't be losing this one now. Whew. I'm gonna tie it off like a sentry. I'm gonna have to wear it like this. Have to. Do that, my friends. Wow, I'm 240 pounds. I don't know, I'm moving. And whatever. I'm hot. Woo! Oh, I lost my other one. Hopefully I don't see what happens here. Now we're gonna do 4 trips. How many trips does it take to film Gene's run? You know what? If this goes successful, this is Gene and James. A little bit of it anyway. You know? And I see that's fucked up over there too. Who cares? Yeah, baby. I might as well clear it out a little for the next. Come through again. It's been a few. Oh, not too long ago. Yeah, clear it out. Well, see, somebody fish here with nail. He ties off. That's a nice looking mushroom. Somebody's in here. Oh, if I was a prison guard, somebody knows something. Somebody. Ooh. What's that? Ooh, get some. Oh, baby. Huh? Hey. Can I use it like old times? Because I don't want to jump. Oh, that helped. Yeah, well, I would be skip that. What can I say? What can I say? Yeah. I gotta go back on the outside. Woo! Other side. Other side, Sammy. I'm not going. I remember that though. I remember that. I do. See? Good stabilizers. So far. Up to the sky. There's a little deep hole here, a little bit. Oh boy, you know what? Thank you guys for making me find sticks. You know, I'm not jumping. Oh, well, I just gotta get used to them a little bit. You know, handicap. Get a new pair of crutches. Right there, crushes. Oh, God bless. God bless Tiny Tim. Yep. Alright, that was a fun little excursion. Let's see if we can go up here. Let's see. Okay. Get some? That's deep. Spaghetti-o. Okay. Yeah. This is where I dropped my phone. I got strapped. Let's try and go across this time with the phone. Oh, we got ISO. Hey, God saying, hey, I'm doubling down on you, Sam. Oh, yes, he is. He's a doubling down. Okay. You know, I'm gonna be like Predator and walk around because I know Arnold's in there yelling, come on, come on. I dropped it right over there. Right here. Oh, I feel slippery. Down there I dropped it. Yeah. I think it was there. Yeah, it came up here. Ooh. Yeah, well. Yeah, I stopped over here. Woo! A little. Oh, God. Oh, it's shaking. It's working. It's working. Oh boy. It's working. Am I working? What's going on around here? I don't know. Oh yes he is. Oh, come on baby. Yeah, let's just do it.